Hi there, I'm Mr Chapman. I was wondering, have you ever thought about living in a world without any polymers? But first of all, do you know what is a polymer?
This is called a monomer. It is repeated n times to lead to the formation of what is called a polymer. This is the molecule of polypropylene. Its monomer is called propene. Polymers are everywhere, even where you don't expect them. Here I am, surrounded by nature. This tree, behind me, is made out of cellulose, which is also known as a natural polymer synthesized by photosynthesis. This is the monomer of cellulose molecule.
A world without polymer would mean a world without trees. Let's say goodbye to our dear tree. Plants are not the only ones made of polymers. Polymers are the essence of all the living things. For instance, DNA could be found in cells of humans and animals, including this cute panda you can see. The DNA is made out of a monomer, which is itself composed of four main molecules. The first one is adenine. The second is cytosine. Then guanine. And finally, thymine.
The repetition of this pattern will lead to DNA. Here are several representations of a DNA structure. In theory, without DNA, this panda would not exist, neither would these people, nor myself. But we are not here to only talk about natural polymers. Indeed, we will now focus on synthetic ones. I decided to come back, otherwise who will be explaining all this to you? Some of them are not that known. Among these ones is bakelite, which is nowadays used to make pool balls. These balls used to be made with ivory from elephant's tusks. Thanks to bakelite discovery, the exploitation of ivory is now over for that purpose.
This rubber duck is another example of the use of natural polymers. The rubber composing it used to be extracted from a tree called hevea. Incisions were made on its trunk in order to collect its sap. The discovery of rubber synthesis in 1909 allowed reducing the harvesting and the exploitation of these trees. Here is the formula of rubber molecule. It belongs to the chemical family of elastomers. Its monomer is isoprene. The non-stick surface on frying pans is made of polytetrafluoroethylene, also known as Teflon, which is a trademark by DuPont de Nemours. Here is its monomer. Teflon has many other applications. It can be used as isolation for high voltage cables or to make medical implants such as vascular grafts. To sum up, living in a world without synthetic polymers would mean living in hell since they are used and needed in many fields.